Hi guys, welcome back to Berylawes fashion channel. My name is Abiodun. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe and please put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video you will be notified. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm very grateful to you. In today's video we'll be learning how to make this ruffled puff sleeve without an elastic. So if you are interested in seeing how I made this, keep on watching. So to get started, we need our basic sleeve, and here I've cut out my basic sleeve. I've cut two of it out, and here is the right side of my fabric. So the first thing we are going to do is to determine the length. Because it's not going to have an elastic, you determine where you want it to start from. So I want mine to start from 7 inches. So from that 7 inches, you are going to mark horizontally like this, and I'm having 13.5. This 13.5 inches that I marked, what are we going to do with it? We will be making use of half circle or 180-degree flare. So since it's an half circle, we'll be making use of the mathematical formula 3.142. Remember that I measured 13.5. So the 13.5 that we got, we are going to divide it by 3.142. So when you divide it, you will have 4.29. So but because I want it to have gathers, I'm going to gather it. I'll be making use of 5 inches. So that is the first calculation that we need. The next calculation that we need is to measure from here, where the 7 inches stop, to the hem of the sleeve or the round sleeve. I have 6, as you can see, I have 6.5. So this 6.5 that we have will be added to the 5 inches here. 6.5 inches, right? So that gives us 11.5. Since it's a puff sleeve, by the time we gather it, because we are going to gather it back, remember I said we are not going to put elastic, so we need extra allowance. So I will be adding 5 inches so that you can see the effect of that puff when you finish sewing. You could do more if you have enough fabric. So that gives me 16.5. I will be making use of Ankara fabric or African print, and we all know that it frays. So because it frays, I will add 0.5 inch that I will be using to weave it or BB lock it. So I will have 17 inches. So assuming you are using fabric that does not fray, maybe like scuba or poly, you can leave it at this 16.5 inches. So that being said, I'll put aside my sleeve, then bring the Ankara fabric that I will be making use of and show you how to fold it. I've folded my fabric into two this way. This is the folded part, and the length is 17. The width too should be 17. So I will cut out 17 by 17 now while the fabric is on fold. Then I will show you how to fold. Then I will show you how to fold half circle. I've cut out the fabric 17 by 17 inches. So I'm going to fold it diagonally. The folded part, this is folded part. We'll place it on this side like this. We fold it in form of triangle. That's diagonally like this. So at the top here is where we'll be taking our radius. Remember that our radius was 4.295, but since we want gathers there, we have approximated it to 5 inches, and I said you could do more depending on how much gathers you want. So I'll measure 5 inches at this down part, and we said that the full length is 17, so I will take it around. I'll take the 17 inches round at the down part. So I've measured my 17 round. Now I'm going to cut it here. So we don't need this. This is what we will be having. So I'll now bring my sleeve. Here is my sleeve. So this is what we'll do. Remember that I said I'm going to serge here. So I will serge here. After serging it, I will come back to show you what to do next. I've serged it. As you can see, I serge it around. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to gather the down parts here. I'm going to gather it back to the measurements we are having here, which is whatever yours is. Mine here is 12.25 inches. So I'm going to gather it back. So when I finish gathering it, I will turn to the wrong side of the sleeve like this. This is how you place it, the wrong side. Okay. So when I finish gathering, it will be like this. Then I will sew it on the wrong side of the sleeve, then turn it to the other side, then pleat it. So let me quickly gather it and show you how this will be done. I've attached it to the wrong side like this. Here is the wrong side of the sleeve. I've attached it to it. So I will turn it now to the right side. Here is the right side. And I will turn it like this and sew it on the line we measured earlier. So we have a little excess at this side. So that is what I will pleat on it and ensure that it matches up. So I'm going to do that now and show you the outcome of the sleeve. So this is what we have. So if you want it fuller, that means you will add more to your fabric. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.